Welcome. In front of me is OnePlus Nord 5, and in this video I will tell you how to boost your mobile data network signal on the smartphone. So the first thing that I suggest that you can do is toggle your airplane mode in order to reset the network connection. To do that, open your quick settings and then click airplane mode once, then click it once again and see if it helps you. Now if it doesn't, please if you can, then move to an area with a battery coverage in order to get the better signal. And if this doesn't help, and if you cannot do that, if you cannot find such a spot near yourself, or if you cannot move around for a while, then you can try to go to settings and enable Wi-Fi calling. To do that, go to mobile network, select your SIM card, then select Wi-Fi calling and turn it on, and see if this makes your signal better. Now if this doesn't help, then you can reset your network settings. To do that, go to system and update, backup and reset phone, and then reset network and Bluetooth connections settings. Of course, this will also reset your connections, so you'll have to reconnect to the Wi-Fi networks you've been paired with, and also the same goes to Bluetooth devices. So select this option, then reset, and then this should most likely help you solve your problem. But in case it didn't, then you can contact your carrier, mobile carrier, and check for outages, because this might be an issue on the carrier side. And with that being said, I hope that this video helps you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.